Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can save your favorite sounds on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. And for example, I'm going to save the sound from this post. So we can tap on the sound or the music on the post like this. And then we're gonna click on add to favorites. Okay, and now this sound has been added to my favorites, and we can check it on our TikTok profile. We can tap on the profile to open our profile. Then we can tap on this icon, and here you can select the sounds. Okay, and this is the music or the sound that I have just saved to my TikTok. Alright guys, then that's how we can save a music or sounds in TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.